Let's now learn how to create a bill and add products to the billing cart. SARA POS provides 3 different methods for adding products to a bill, allowing you to choose the workflow that's most convenient for your business. Method 1. Scan the barcode. The fastest and most commonly used method is barcode scanning. Simply scan the product's barcode using a barcode scanner, and the item will be added instantly to the billing cart. Let's scan the first product. Now, let's scan the second product. And finally, the third product. As you can see, all the products have been added successfully. Notice that I haven't used the mouse at all. You can navigate through the billing cart entirely with the arrow keys on your keyboard. If you want to increase the quantity of the selected item, simply press the plus key. Each press increases the quantity by 1. To decrease the quantity, press the minus cards key. If you no longer need a particular item, simply select it and press the delete key to remove it from the bill. Sometimes you may need to sell a large quantity of the same product. For example, instead of pressing the plus key 50 times to increase the quantity to 50, there's a much faster way. Simply press Ctrl+Q. A quantity input window will appear. Enter the required quantity, for example 50, and press enter. The item's quantity will be updated instantly. Likewise, if you want to change the quantity from 50 to 2, you don't need to keep pressing the minus key. Simply press Ctrl+Q again, enter 2, and press enter. The quantity will be updated immediately. Now, let's move on to the second method of adding products. First, we'll clear the current billing cart. As mentioned earlier, press the ISC key. The system will ask you to confirm whether you want to clear the cart. Simply press enter and all items will be removed. Now, we're ready to demonstrate the second method, which allows you to add products quickly by manually searching for them using the keyboard. For example, if we type life, the system immediately displays all matching products. In this example, you can see different product variants such as 50G and 100G. Use the arrow keys to highlight the required product, then press enter. The system will ask you to enter the quantity. Let's enter a quantity of 2 and press enter again. The selected product is now added to the billing cart. You can repeat the same process for any other product. You aren't limited to searching by product name. If you know the product's SKU, simply type the SKU instead. This is especially useful for cashiers who are familiar with the store's inventory and can remember product codes. You can also search using the product's barcode number. For example, if you know the last few digits of a barcode, simply type those numbers, select the matching product from the suggestions, and press enter. This makes manual product entry both fast and convenient whenever barcode scanning isn't available.